Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Nina's Facebook group. I don't really remember what's in here, but we'll see. I only know a couple things. So, okay. I cut open one of the bags by accident when I was cutting off the top. But we've got some spacers. Oh, those are nice. So I could use these as donuts or spacer beads. They're kind of lightweight, too. Those are nice. I like those a lot, and I could paint the polka dots if I really wanted to. That'd be fun. I've got a Lampwork glass mix. Let's go through this. These are cool. I didn't really look at this up close when I bought it, but oh my gosh, those are awesome. I love those. So kind of go with some of those porcelain beads I just got in Tucson. We've got some Lampwork glass in a few different shapes and colors. So we've got these rounds. Oops. Blue and white and little pink roses. And then we've got some little baby blue cylinders with the roses again. These are so cool. So cute. Love these. And then we've got some like football shaped ones, barrel shaped. Love those. And we've got a little Millefiori heart. This guy's awesome. That could almost go with some of my African stuff. And then we've got some foil lined. One little orange guy. He's cute. Another one that could possibly go with like some more tribal looking beads, and then a crackle glass bead, and then a lavender lampwork. I like that mix. It's a fantastic mix. Oh, we've got this one too. It's like a little penguin. That's adorable. I love it. Okay. Oh, there was still some left in that bag. And it looks like everything in that bag was $3. Okay. So we've got some 2-hole beads. These almost look like buttons. I love that AB on there, and I love how craggy they are. Like, they look like they've been around a while, but then we freshened them up with that AB metallic coating. I love those. Those are Czech, by the way. And then there was a pendant in here. Let's see. Oh yes, I got this right at the last minute. This is gorgeous shell. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love the one she picked out for me because there were several different ones. This one has a pink hue to it. It's so pretty. It's even pretty on the back. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. I think this paired with maybe some Amazonite, that would be really pretty. And then we have everything in this one was $1. I guess that's what this is. So, oh yes, I bought 3 sets of these little evil eye beads. Aren't those cute? I love them. Little turquoise eyeballs. Those are cute. I love those. Then I got some polymer clay disc beads. So they're just kind of blues and reds and greens with some beige. So really cool. It's just a cane cut into a bead. Very nice. Those would go with some like more muted gemstones. And then I got some Heishi beads. So I got 2 of the green. It's a really cool mix. 1 of the gray and 1 of the white. For $1, I couldn't pass that up. No way. And then got some like carved acrylic beads. Little Buddhas. Or I don't think these are Buddhas. I don't know what you would call those guys. I don't know if they're monks. They're really cool. I love those. And then let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got this African pendant. So beautiful. Oh, there's something on both sides, so I could make a double-sided necklace. That's awesome. I love the little animals. I didn't notice that when I bought it. Very cool. Love that. Some glass. These are vintage. I don't know where they came from, but they're vintage and they look very tribal, very cool, very earthy. Love those. And then we have some clay beads. I love these. I only have a couple that look like this. I think they came from Charisse. But I just love, look, they got camels on them. They're hand painted vintage clay. So cool. What I think is funny, like, is that a camel? Because those are saguaro. It can't be a camel. Maybe it's a llama. I think it's probably a llama because those are saguaro cacti, and those are only found in the Sonoran Desert, and you don't find camels in the Sonoran Desert, at least that I know of. So they're probably llamas, and they're just gorgeous. They're just gorgeous. I love those. Those beads have been around the block. They're beautiful. And then I have one more package of stuff. Oh my goodness, I don't remember buying all this stuff. So I don't really sell my stuff, but I do give it away and I give it as gifts and stuff like that. So earrings, we know I love pineapples. I just thought this was cute. I could cut these myself probably, but why? When it was like, it was $2 for all of these. There's probably 100 in there. So I thought that was really neat. Earring cards. Some more polymer clay beads. I got 2 strands of these. Thought they were really fun. And of course, you don't have to use them all together. You could just use 1 or 2 here or there. Very fun. I don't have that. I don't think I have that style. Got this little turtle. Thought he was so cool, and so he hangs like that. Little magnesite turtle. Some little birdie beads. So they're beads, not charms. They would go on top of another bead maybe, or string them like a fetish bead. So let me see, I'm getting a head pin here. Put one of these berry seed beads on there, and then a bird, and it would just kind of hang out on top of your bead. Isn't that cool? I love it. Very cool. Then I got 2 pairs of these earrings with the thought, you know, I would possibly seed bead them because I have so many seed beads and I thought they were cool. These could be just given as gifts like that because they're gorgeous, but you could also hang something from them. I'm thinking about trying to, if I ever get into bead weaving, using these for that. And then last but not least, and this is one of those things that you kind of forget that you said, oh, I'll take that, is this pendant. So I like it. I like how heavy it is. I don't love these 2 like acrylic fake rhinestones. So I'd probably knock those out and put something else in there if I can. Or I can paint them. I could paint them with metallic paint or something. But I think it's a pretty cool piece. And it would go really well with a lot of my tribal stuff because it looks like faux amber. So yeah, I'll probably paint those or snip them out of there or do something. Change your beads if you don't like them, guys. So, okay, what is my favorite thing? Well, I really, really liked these. These are very pretty. I loved these. Oh, this pendant, and these beads. So yeah, these were definitely my faves. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks to Nina. Check out her group and I'll leave the link below. Let me know what your favorite was. What would you do with some of these things? And hopefully you'll see a tutorial soon. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Good morning, babe. Good morning. Happy Monday. Yeah, you just chilling? Oh, that was the cutest sneeze I've ever seen. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah. Dad case of the Mondays, huh? I think so. Me too.